Hey guys, welcome back to the Brandon Brews channel. Once again, we are in the kitchen. Wanted to get into juicing, and I previously bought a Ninja cold press never Clog juicer. I reviewed it, used it, and I kind of wanted something else because it just required too much work having to chop everything small. So I start researching. And this is the guy that I decided to make a decision on. This is the Nutribullet slow juicer. And we're going to unbox it and we're going to set it up. And then we're going to do a side-by-side comparison just visually of what the Ninja looks like and what this one looks like. I won't be running this today because I had to go to the store and buy some fruit and vegetables because I've been gone, I've been on the road. But I just want you guys to see it because I'm geeked. I think today is Christmas. Stay tuned. Let's do it. Here it is. Actually, it's not that heavy. Let's look at the box. Nutribullet, get the most out of your produce. Get more juice from fruits like apples, oranges, and celery. Standard high-speed juicer, Nutribullet slow juicer. I guess they're trying to compare and show you that you get more juice. Simple nutrition in one glass. You can do all of these things. It is a 150 watt motor based juice bowl with no drip spout. And that's the spout right there. Food pusher, grinding assembly, 24 ounce juice container, which is right there. Pulp container, which is right there. Cleaning brush, they don't have a picture on it. And then the recipe book included. So let's look at the other side. Major crush, ultra strong steel tipped auger. And see, you guys, I learned something because I didn't even know what an auger was. Like I said, I'm new, but I learned that the auger is actually in slow cold press juicers. It's not about, and just because it says cold press does not mean that it's turning the fruit cold. That's not what that means. But strong and steady, high torque, low speed motor takes the low and slow approach for delicious, healthy juice. Yeah, something about it saying low speed. Low speed is so it can get all the nutrients in it, but high torque means that it has the power to go through it. Sort of like when I'm driving my semi-truck. Yes, it takes a while to pull off, but it has a lot of torque to it because it's pulling all of this weight. It's not slow. It's not to say that it's slow because it don't have the power. It's slow because it's trying to build up the power in it, and it's very torquey. Because if you press on the pedal, vroom, vroom, you're gonna get it to rock. It's gonna be doing that rocking thing because it has a lot of power. All right, let's prep. Wide mouth feed chute fits larger pieces of produce. See, that's what I wanted. I didn't want to have to cut things down to 1 inch always. That's a lot of prep. And then it says nice and quiet. I don't know about that. I have seen some reviews and people have said that this sounds very loud. For me, I don't care about it being loud because it's just me and Jax. And anyways, like, it's a juicer. I'm juicing. Why do I need to be quiet like I'm trying to hide or do something? No, I'm not. So let's open it. And that's the beauty of doing reviews. Like, this is a raw review. And like, I can go on record saying I don't think the Ninja juicer works for me because I wanted something different. So let's open it. It's very secure. I do like saying it very secured and together because that means that it's not been tampered with or used. That's like the worst thing ever, to get something food related and it's been used. All right, so first things first, I believe this is what you'll push down to make sure that your food gets in the chute. Okay, we have a lot of plastic here. We're going to see if we can assemble it without the instructions. So I know what this is. This is going to be your main part. This is where the juice comes out, and this is where your pulp comes out. All right. This is the locking mechanism. Before I put that on, I think something goes in the middle of that. This is a container. Let's see, can you identify which one is which? Oh, they're both together. Okay, so I'll say this is your container for juice because it has the measurements on it. And this is going to be where you put your pulp. So if you needed something simple to get started, this is pretty much it. Because you can tell, so this is going to be your auger. And I'm assuming that it will go in here. But we're going to see which direction it goes in just a second. Let's keep opening everything. This feels like the motor. Once again, it's a 150 watt motor. I'm not sure what Ninja's was, but it was, for me, it felt underpowered. Then you have your cleaning brush. Basically look like a toothbrush. Probably will end up buying some more utensils to clean it with. But also, all these parts are dishwasher safe as well. Besides the motor, you don't need to put the motor in. We should never have to put that in. All right. So let's try assembling it. Like I said, now I get. So just looking at that, you're gonna notice that that goes there. And like I said, I'm just assembling it. We're not going to use it because I need to go buy some fruit. Okay, so I'm assuming that's how that sit, and then I'm assuming that this piece goes in there. Yep, okay, but I'm assuming that goes up there, and there is a lock and unlock position. So and there we go, and there you have it. And this one is for the juice, and that was for the pulp. Yeah, that was fast. That was very fast. And so this is your lid where you can open it. You can put, I heard you can put a whole apple in there. You can put a whole orange in there. Just peel it. We're gonna go through all of that and see. I like the compact design. I don't know, because this is vertical. The Ninja is horizontal. So let's do a side by side comparison of it right now. We'll be right back. Here is the Ninja juicer, and I'm gonna assemble it together. It's not completely assembled. Like I said before, I don't have a big kitchen. If I wanted to keep it on the counter, I possibly could. Okay, so I just quickly realized, y'all. Do you see all these pieces? Let me bring y'all a little close. All these pieces are just to the Ninja. That's a lot. So we're gonna put it together. But compared to how I set this up, do you see like all these pieces once you take it apart? That's a lot. That's a lot. But thankfully, it's not hard to assemble. I don't think. I'm gonna show you right quick. All right, let's see if I can remember. So this part is gonna be down. You're gonna put your auger in, and if you were using a filter, you put your filter in, and then this piece goes here. And there is a locking. There we go. And there's another locking that happens. There you go. Put this here. goes there, and that goes there. All right, so when you take it apart, there is a lot of pieces, but this is how they look side by side. I don't know, y'all. Like, I'm really feeling the Nutribullet's design more because after using the Ninja, I felt like I said, it was underpowered. Let's look at the chutes. So I'm gonna take this apart. Actually, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take this off and show you it. This is the chute. Right here. This is the size of fruit that can go in there. And Ninja wants you to know, they recommend that you cut down your fruit to about a 1 inch. And so, like, that's a lot of prep time. A lot of prep time. If we're talking about prices, I believe this one is $1.99. I got it for a little cheaper. And I got it for like $10 cheaper than that. But it's retailing for $1.99. Ninja is retailing this for $129.99, which is $130. I think that's a very expensive price tag for what you get. I'll pay about $60 or $80 for this, but not over $100 for something that I'm going to have to provide a lot of prep for. Let's look at the chute and the Nutribullet. I'm going to do a full review of it and showing you how it works, but I'm just going to snap this off because I believe I can turn it. Yep. And I just want you to see the difference of the size. You see that? Let me take this one off. You basically can put this inside there, and I'm going to do it. Look, this is how much. Wow. So, yeah. I feel like Nutribullet is going to be a game changer for me, and it's going to make me feel like, okay, I want to juice. Like I said, I'm starting out, and when I had to do all this work with the Ninja, I just was like, I'll juice another day, because it's just, you have to be prepared, like, to do all of that. And if you're going to do any bulk juicing, it's going to take a long time. So I think this is more for the person that wants to occasionally juice. And you're going to be juicing maybe once a week. You're not going to want to juice every day because then you're going to have to clean it every single day. If you're going to try bulk juicing, it's going to take a long time to produce juice with this whole thing. So that's it for now. I just wanted you guys to see the unboxing of the Nutribullet, do a comparison of the Ninja. I will do a full review for the Nutribullet coming shortly once I go grocery shopping. Thanks so much. Make sure you like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know if you have the Nutribullet or the Ninja. Let's talk about it in the comments. Thank you so much. Be blessed.